Hello, fellow creatives. This is Munya Scripts from Munya Scripts Lifestyle and Gary Films Production. Today I've come up with something that is basically incredible that you shouldn't miss out. And today we are going to be discussing about business cards as creatives. Why would we need to know about business cards, and why would we basically need to have business cards as creatives, as artists, as business people, and as people that are basically doing or providing a service to someone or to some people out there. So why do we need to have business cards, or why do we need to own business cards? Okay, so a business card or business cards are documents that include candidate's name, business title and description, and the contact information. Okay, artists and creatives like graphics designers, photographers, or craft um, artists can use business cards to market their skills, products, and services and generate revenue. Okay, so basically meaning that you can do a business card in order to market your skills out there to people, even if you're a photographer, a videographer, a graphics designer, or any service provider. So you can create a business card and give it to different people so as to share your skills and what you can provide to them. Okay, if you are interested in earning an income as an artist, you may benefit from developing a compelling business card in this article. Okay, so in this article that I'm basically reading to you, or in this video, you are going to be basically understanding the importance of you owning a business card, okay, as a creative. So what is the importance for you to create a business card as an artist? So why would you need a business card as an artist? It is important to create a business card for an artist to convey your professional skills, qualifications, and artistic style to others. Okay, business cards are an excellent way to promote yourself, market your business, brand, and find opportunities. Okay, so that is some of the importance of basically we owning a business card. And later on, we shall be sharing some videos on how to create business cards. Okay, I'll be sharing my interface on my computer or laptop. Then I happen to teach you on how to create a business card. Then, as a leader or team member of a creative business, you can distribute business cards to raise awareness of products and services that you happen to provide. As a freelancer, you can give out your business cards to build a positive reputation for yourself, attract audiences to your work, and show that you are available and ready for jobs. Okay, so relatively, with our business cards, at least we provide these business cards to people to basically show that we are ready and we are basically waiting for their work. After maybe them reading about what we can provide to them, what skills that we can do. Okay, besides that, so I'm basically going to start sharing some of the benefits of creating and circulating business cards as a creative profession. One, enables customers contact you, because remember, with a business card, at least you have information shared on those on those business cards. And the information I'm basically talking about, let's say contacts, email, place of your location. So basically people can find you, people can contact you. Then it allows employers to contact you. Okay, if you are seeking for a full-time or part-time or side job, you may have an opportunity to give your business card to a recruiter, okay, business leader, or employer. So as a creative, that is one of the reasons why you need to have a business card. Then besides that, it expands your professional network. Okay, in how? Disseminating your business card to or giving out your business cards to customers, employers, colleges and other professionals in the field, and collecting their business cards for your own purpose can help you, okay, to know others and expand your professional network. Okay, as you like share business cards, you give out your business card and they also give you their business cards. It is like you're sharing a network whereby they are basically dealing in some other professions, you are also dealing in a certain profession, and when you happen to share business cards, you happen to like get connected because they get to know what you do, and you also get to know what those different people happen to provide. Okay, then besides that, besides expanding your professional network, let us also look at how to create business cards for artists, okay, in our next video. So thanks for watching this video, the first video where we've looked at the different importances of we owning a business card as artists, as creatives, as people who are basically having a service that we can provide to the public. And remember to subscribe to this wonderful channel that is Munya Scripts Lifestyle, and also remember that I shoot videos, I do photography, I do animation, and I'm a graphics designer. So if at all you're out there and you would want to learn on how to do maybe photography, you would want to learn on how to edit videos, you would learn how to do maybe digital marketing, contact me, I can teach you. And also remember that I provide those services if at all I'm contacted. And in the description of this video there are videos, in the description of this video there are phone numbers that you can use to contact me, and I provide you some of my services that you may be in need of. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and click on that bell notification for all of my videos so that you don't miss out on any video that I happen to upload. Thank you for watching.